So the year that shall not be named, 2020, tragic in so many ways, and yet for healthcare, it seemed like it shocked the system in a way that it might have needed. Do you want to talk a bit about what 2020 really catalyzed in healthcare?
Yeah, I mean the silver lining, and everyone talks about it. It's one of the questions I ask people now on a regular basis is, what's the lasting impact of the pandemic on health IT or your health system? And they will invariably talk about the rise of telehealth. They'll talk about the work from home and the recognizing what's possible. They did things this past year. We did things as an industry this past year that people didn't think were possible, and so it sort of opened up our minds to what we could do. Digital transformation happened in a big way this year. We implemented chatbots and remote consults, and you name it. We did amazing things from a technology standpoint this year, and we learned what we can do with focus. And that was that's probably the if we talk about the lasting impact, it will be conversations a year from now where people go, you know what, and I know this is going to happen. We're going to fall back into some of our old habits, but a year from now someone's going to stand up in a meeting and go, I want to move as fast as we did during COVID, during the pandemic. And I hope somebody who's listening to this show raises their hands and say, I know exactly what we need to do. We need to focus. Bill and guests talked about this over and over again. What enabled us to move this quickly? It was a clear focus on the safety of our communities, the safety of our clinicians, and the safety of our patients. And we rallied very quickly around that singular focus.